You've decided to get a life insurance policy, but you're still attempting to comprehend the terms and conditions that are often utilized, as well as which insurance provider would be appropriate for your needs. Your family's financial stability may one day be dependent on your obtaining a suitable life insurance policy. Stay with me and I'll give you an overview of the many life insurance plans as well as the best life insurance companies in United States to assist you in making your decision. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about insurance company in USA, Best Life Insurance. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Priorities take precedence. The insurance company agrees to pay a death benefit to the plan's beneficiaries in return for the policyholder's ongoing premium payments. This is referred to as a life insurance policy. The death benefit will be given to the beneficiaries if the insured individual dies. Through the addition of riders to the policy, the life insurance policy you purchase may be sufficient to replace your lost income and cover extra expenditures your family members may incur, such as funeral bills, college tuition, or caring for an older relative. Riders are provisions that provide more advantages in return for a higher price. Life insurance riders enable policyholders and their families to tailor their life insurance policies to their specific needs. Let me assist you with your studies and identify some critical terminology you should learn before proceeding with your plan to get a life insurance policy in the United States. Before we get into the finest life insurance carriers in the US, let's look at the various sorts of life insurance companies in the United States. Whole life insurance, often called straight life or ordinary life, is a contract that provides the policyholder with lifelong coverage in return for monthly premium payments. These premiums are normally paid until the maturity date, which is the moment at which the amount paid matches the death benefit of the policy. Whole life insurance requires monthly premium payments and guarantees a cash value increase. The cash value accumulation is the sum of the original investment and interest earned up to this point, which you would get if you wanted to terminate the policy or forego coverage. The cash value differs from the death benefit in that your beneficiaries would not get the cash value if you died. A universal life insurance policy differs from a whole life insurance policy in that it provides for more flexible premium payments. Universal life insurance often gives the insured more freedom when it comes to premiums and death benefits, so they can be tailored to specific needs. Let's start with Universal Life or UL insurance. UL stands for Universal Life Insurance. There are several types of insurance in which the policyholder pays an insurance premium in return for a death benefit. The policyholder's initial premium is compared to the yearly cost of insurance and the difference is placed into a separate account. These funds from the side account might be utilized to offset the policyholder's insurance premium increases due to age. It is usually a good idea to keep a close eye on how well the policy works and how well it meets the policyholder's needs. An Indexed Universal Life or IUL is an extra kind of insurance that allows the policyholder to invest a certain amount of money in an equity index account such as the Nasdaq or S&P. The capacity of the Indexed Universal Life Insurance policy to benefit from compound interest and generate considerable sums of non-taxable cash inside the policy is a key advantage. Money that may be utilized to fund a well-planned retirement. The Variable Universal Life or VUL policy is a kind of insurance that allows its owners to invest their premium payments in one or more accounts with a wide range of investment options, including stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and many more. The policyholder's risk tolerance and investment goals, which say how much risk he or she is willing to take, determine the amount and type of investment. Term life insurance plans are less expensive than other forms of coverage because they have no monetary value until the policyholder dies, in contrast to other plans that cover the policyholder for the rest of his or her life. Term life insurance only provides coverage for the chosen term. However, bear in mind that if you decide to get new term life insurance after your existing policy expires, your premiums may soar. It is critical to examine a company's history, reputation, and stability before purchasing a life insurance policy. Some companies even provide one-on-one support, tools, and calculators to help you make an intelligent and well-informed decision. Some companies, such as Prudential Financial, even provide an online estimate for amounts up to $250,000. Let's take a look at the top life insurance companies in the United States right now. But before we continue, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with Prudential Financial. This firm has been providing insurance to people for almost 140 years as of today. This demonstrates the dependability of this company. You may supplement your policy with riders that give unexpected survivors payout, living needs benefits, and child protection. They provide term life insurance policies, universal life insurance policies, indexed global life insurance policies, and variable global life insurance policies. The business has remarkable financial stability according to AM Best and Standard & Poor's ratings. These offers the insurance holder some insurance that the company will not take advantage of them. As previously stated, Prudential offers term life insurance quotes online for up to $250,000 in coverage. Compared to other top life insurance companies in the United States, Prudential can meet the most diverse needs of its customers. State Farm is another excellent insurance company with a proven track record of success with established, venerable enterprises. It was formed in 1922 by a retired farmer, and it has grown from humble beginnings to become a well-known Fortune 500 company that offers a wide range of insurance products. It is financially solid as a consequence of getting AM Best's top grade. They provide whole life insurance, term life insurance, and universal life insurance. State Farm, like Prudential Financial, provides potential customers with free online quotes for a number of insurance products, including permanent life insurance coverage in return for answering a few simple questions. Even better, you can renew your term life insurance online without having to go through a medical exam. New York Life, which has been in operation for 175 years, is another excellent contender for our review. If this doesn't demonstrate their dependability, we don't know what does. New York Life, like the other top-tier life insurance companies, has a very good rating from AM Best and Standard & Poor's. They offer a wide range of insurance products such as term life insurance, whole life insurance, universal life insurance, and variable universal life insurance. One of the finest features of New York Life is the ability for policyholders to convert their term policy to a whole life policy at any time. New York Life also provides policyholders with a variety of customized add-ons. Still, you can't receive a quotation from New York Life online. Instead, you would provide your contact information and a financial expert would call you. There are many more excellent life insurance companies in the United States, such as Transamerica, Northwestern Mutual, Mutual of Omaha, and USAA, that provide excellent services and may provide you with further information on life insurance and financial planning. Visit their websites for more details. We've reached the end of another video and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.